Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Clickmagick affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, what is this all about? Is this legit? Is it fake, right? Can you really make money by recommending Clickmagick to other people online? I'm going to show you some income proof, and let's talk a little bit about how good this particular affiliate program for this tracker is, all right? Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link all the way below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different programs, websites, business models, tools, apps, literally a lot of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time. So let's check out Clickmagick and their affiliate program to find out whether you can really make money from this or should you just stay away, right? Now, Clickmagick is a very popular tracker, all right? Now, I've used it as a tracking tool for many years. I use it to track my affiliate marketing business. I use it to track where my clicks are coming from, which source of traffic is the most profitable, my opt-in rates, my conversion rates, my sales conversion rates. So there are a lot of different things that you can do with Clickmagick, and it's really, really good, okay? Now, the pricing, I'm just going to show you the pricing right here, just in case you want to become a user of it, is changed over time, okay? As they become a more popular tracker, they've increased their prices. It was pretty cheap before, but now it's gotten a little bit pricier, okay? So I would start with the starter plan. $79 a month is still pretty cheap. Standard is pretty expensive, to be honest, $169 per month, and then Pro is very expensive, right? But I mean, you're probably going to start right here. This is really all you need, to be honest, at the $79 per month level. Start a pack. If you move up to this level, I mean, you're doing really, really well. I mean, 100,000 clicks a month. You're probably not doing 100,000 clicks a month yet, okay? So that's the prices right there. If you want to check out their referral program, what you would do is you would go all the way to the bottom, all right? You would just click right here, referral program, and this will pop up right here, and we'll talk about this a little bit because this is what this video is about, okay? We're not really going to talk about Clickmagick so much as a tool. It's a great tool. It's one of the best tracking softwares in the world, I think, in the internet marketing space. Whether you are doing drop shipping, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, whether you sell your own products online, whether it's digital or physical, they can help you to basically track everything. Your conversions all the way through your sales funnel, your opt-in rates. It can track solo ads, banner ads, display ads. You could literally use Clickmagick to put your tracking links on ad networks like Facebook, like TikTok, like Instagram, like Bing search, like Google pay-per-click. Pretty much any traffic source that you want, you can use Clickmagick and it'll track accurately, which is really, really cool, okay? Now, what you can do is you can resell Clickmagick to other people. All right, so if you know that, hey, Clickmagick really works and I want to resell their program, whether you're using it or not, it doesn't matter because you can sign up for free and you can sell their program. Excuse me. And basically they pay pretty good, okay? I make quite a lot of money from Clickmagick, and I'll show you this in a second, right? They pay 35% recurring commissions, and that's nice. Okay, so the recurring is nice. 35% is really good, all right? Anything between 30, 40 to 70% is considered good commissions in the affiliate marketing space. What's not good is selling stuff like Amazon where they only pay 3%. Okay, you're not going to make money that way, right? Clickmagick 35%, and it's recurring. It's not just the first sale. A lot of programs, they'll just only pay you on the first sale, which really sucks. They pay recurring, and the nice thing about Clickmagick is it's a recurring product. Every internet marketer that uses a tracking software will use it for the entire lifetime of their business because they have to keep tracking everything, right? So if you bring people in, the chances are you will have recurring commissions for quite a long time, okay? And that's what I do. I recommend this to all my people because I use this, and I think that everybody needs to track where their clicks are coming from, what their opt-in rates are, what their sales conversion rates are, what's profitable and what's not. And so you need a tracking software, and Clickmagick does a really good job of that, okay? So it's really decent, all right? Now let me log into my account just so I can show you proof that this is a good program, all right? So I'm already logged in right here. And I'm just going to show you my profile so you know that it's actually me. You can see there, Aaron Chen right there, right? I'm going to go to payments, okay? And you can see they pay out directly through PayPal. All right, and they pay out really regularly. Okay, you can see the payments coming in. PayPal. It's really good, right? $64, 133, 57, 64, 110, 53, that kind of thing. And I can just show you right here that I've made about $60,000 from Clickmagick alone. Let me zoom in there, right? That's pretty crazy, right? $60,000 from a tracking tool. All right, this is not even my main opportunity. It's just something that I recommend to people. You know, if they're interested in internet marketing, they get into my programs. I recommend them. I also, you know, recommend this in some videos. Any internet marketer or any person that's marketing anything online, it could be literally anything, needs to track their websites. Okay, so if you can come here and grab your link and maybe do a video on it, I mean, they pay really regularly. I get payments from them on you can see the dates, right? I mean, it's very regular. Okay, it's like 28th, the 23rd, the 12th, the 6th, you know, every few days I get a payment from Clickmagick, and that's how over time I've generated $60,000 from them. Not too bad for a software tool that isn't even my main program. You know, this is just something on the side. It's one of the tools that I use, so I recommend it to people as I'm bringing people through trainings, or I recommend that, you know, I make a review video on YouTube, or I'll talk about it on TikTok or whatever it is, and when somebody buys it, I get a commission. Okay, it's very, very cool, and anybody can learn to do this. Let me just show you where you get. Ooh, sorry about that. I'm not even going to edit that out. I just knocked over my mic. Sorry about that, guys. What you would do is you would just come back to the referrals, and this is basically your referral link. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this referral link below if you're interested in getting into Clickmagick or you want to check it out, and you want to give me some some props for this particular video and showing you that this is a real affiliate program. I'm just going to leave my Clickmagick affiliate link below so you can sign up for it if you want. Completely up to you. Okay, but I think that Clickmagick is a very, very cool tool. I wouldn't sell this as my main affiliate program, but it's good. Okay, as an extra on the side, it's a secondary tool. Look, if you're going to be an internet marketer, you're going to market anything online, you need a tracker, right? You need a page builder, you need an autoresponder. These are all the basic foundational tools that everybody needs. So if you're going to be building a business anyway, you may as well make money from it. So what you could do is you could sign up for it for free. You can use it, and you could just recommend it to people as you're building a business. So as you bring people in, you can, you know, drop them a link. You can say, hey, this is the tool that I use. Let me show you how to use it. And here is my Clickmagick affiliate link. Or you can create a static standalone promotional video about Clickmagick, something like this, right? And when somebody clicks on your link and you give them value, then you will make some additional commissions from it. That's basically how you can generate affiliate commissions from the Clickmagick affiliate program. Very, very cool. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video right now. You can see, as you can see, it's a very legit way to generate income. It's also a great piece of software, which is why it's such a good affiliate program, right? If the product is good and they have an affiliate program, there is no reason why you won't be able to make money out of it. And if you would like to see exactly how I do this, how do I generate commissions online, right? How do I generate commissions like that? $60,000. Again, this is not even my main program. It's just a side program that I have. One of the tools that I use. It's a lot of money. A lot of people, you know, can't even generate this kind of income from their main programs, right? I've got a training that shows you exactly how I do this. If you would like to access that training, I have a free masterclass where you can see exactly how I do affiliate marketing. Click the link all the way at the bottom, enter your email details there, and I'll show you exactly how I do this. I hope you enjoyed this review of Clickmagick, and I will see you on the next video review. Take care.